Welcome back to Insurance Funda. In this video, we continue our client management help series for the Smart All-in-One Calculator app. In Part 1, we covered clients and schedules. In Part 2, we explained the policies section. And today, in Part 3, we'll explore the Proposals tab. This section allows LIC agents to create professional, pre-filled proposal forms, agents' confidential reports, ACR, Form C for NRI customers, and other additional forms, all within minutes. When you open the Proposals tab, you'll see a plus button at the bottom right. This is used to create a new proposal. Currently, the app supports Form number 300, General Form, and Form number 360 for minors. These are original LIC forms, making them fully acceptable by LIC. A proposal is created in 5 sections. 1. Basic details. 2. Policy details. 3. Financial details. 4. Health details. 5. Other details. Start with basic details. Enter personal information like name, address, date of birth, and contact details. If the permanent address is different, you can add it separately. Click the Save button to move forward. The proposal will now be saved with the name of the life assured, showing stage completion as 1 out of 5. Next, edit the proposal and move to policy details. Here you can provide plan number, term, premium mode, riders, and previous policies. For previous policies, simply enter the number and fields will appear automatically for each policy. In financial details, enter the PAN number, last 4 digits of Aadhaar, education, employment information, and bank details. After filling, click Save and continue. Now comes health details. Provide height, weight, nominee details, and family medical history. To add family history, select a member from the drop-down, click the plus sign, and enter their age, or if deceased, age at death and cause of death. Finally, complete the other details section. Here, enter agent or due information, proposal date, ACR, and MHR details. Agent data needs to be entered only once. After that, it will be autofilled in all future proposals. You can also upload the photos of the life assured or proposer from the camera or gallery. Once all 5 stages are completed, the proposal form and ACR become available for download and print. You can review the proposal anytime, edit if necessary, and share the PDF via WhatsApp, email, or print directly. This feature is especially powerful for mail order business with NRI clients. You can create the proposal, share it over WhatsApp, get it signed, and receive the soft copy back, which is fully acceptable by LIC. All saved proposals remain on your phone until you delete them. This ensures you always have quick access to client data and forms whenever you need them. And that's how the proposals section works in the Smart All-in-One Calculator app. With this tool, LIC agents can save time, create professional proposals, and manage NRI or mail order business with ease. Don't forget to check our earlier help videos on clients and schedules and policies. In this way, you can unlock the full power of client management.